Bring it back.
Guten Morgen, Panthers.
That was German for good morning.
Welcome to WPNN. My name is Nelson.
And my name is Nick. It's a terrific day to be a Panther.
The Heritage High School Musical Theater Program is putting on a production of Seussical, a musical based on the books of Dr. Seuss.
The show is tonight at 4 and 7 p.m. Come out and enjoy a great show. Admission is $5 for students and $7 for adults.
Panthers, are you interested in softball? There will be a softball information meeting for interested players.
The softball meeting will be this Wednesday, November 15th at 3 p.m. in room 2123.
Are you interested in basketball cheer? Tryouts will be Friday, November 17th in the cheer room after school. Scan the code in this flyer to access the virtual cheer clinic for November 13th through 16th and learn the routine for tryouts.
You must have your sports physical paperwork to try out. If you have any questions, contact this email. Do you need any holiday gifts for friends or family? Why don't you come and learn how to crochet?
Crochet Club meets tomorrow, Wednesday, November 15th at 3:45 p.m. in room 6101 with Miss Sharp.
Did you know the Heritage has a Black Students Union Club, BSU? All are welcome, and if you're interested in finding out what it's all about, BSU meets this Thursday at 3:45 in room 6101 with Miss Sharp.
Good luck to our girls' soccer teams as they travel to Rockledge to play.
University plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!